Y'all are lucky. I've happened to sit up in the right spot today.
Kill him! Shoot him! Kill him. Nice. Oh no, we let one get out.
Damn.
Hey, there we go.
Y'all get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Hell yeah, we got all 3 of those.
Smoke the D.
Dude.
Smoke the D.
Let's go.
Let's go up 2, boy. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
No way. He's got to go down. Which one of you dumb dicks was screaming with birds right in the face?
Yeah, you can't do that on
Way down there on that end.
Hey.
Who's yelling?
He's sailing, sailing. Yeah, he's down. He down.
Get your spec, Hunter.
Heck yeah.
I didn't even have my.
Clay, was that you? You dumb idiot?
It's not story time.
I'm getting it.
Get him.
4.
That'll work.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
All right, get him, get him, get him.
Hey!
For me right there.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
I got him, I got him, I got him.
Hey, dropped him. Hey!
Y'all are lucky. These big geese have kicked my ass all year. I've happened to sit up in the right spot today.
Yeah.
All right, try them.
Oh no! No! Get this one, get this one. Oh.
Ate shit, too.
Dear Lord.
Y'all kill him up there. Kill him up there. Up there.
Oh, maybe. No. Yeah, yeah, there he goes.
Don't go to the lake.
Feels like a light job.
Hold on, we got these ones coming at us. Bust them.
Kill them all.
Hey! Let's go, dude!
That was badass.
Kill him.
Shoot him! Oh! Oh! Right there!
Dang!
That one go down right there. Keep your eye on it.
Oh! Yeah! Oh!
Two fell right there. Yeah. Get him.
Hey, that's all right there. That was tough.
I know. I want a good shot.
That's all right. Hey,
They wanted to get a little far.
need more shells. Hey, one bird's better than no bird.
Yeah, that's right.
You call it and we knock one out. Ain't nobody mad about that. Dude, it's fat. Dude, they just keep flying, man. It's so much fun just unloading all three of them like on those groups just way out there. This is fast, you can pull the trigger. Is your gun shooting again?
Yeah.
You've been just sniping?
Huh?
Just sniping?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You're just sitting back here sniping.
What a first duck or goose hunt for all you people that have never hunted before.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Bars, B. Bars.
There's 3 right there I'd mount any day of the week.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll pick them out.
Kill him. Save the ammo.
Never even shot.
I didn't shoot. I thought about it.
Woo, baby. Shells. 13, 14 deep.
6 Snapchat Hunter.
Douche. Douche.
Thanks to Hunter for
having us out. First time ever duck hunting. Goose hunting. What do you have to say?
It was good.
Did it exceed your expectations?
It exceeded my
Yeah,
expectations.
it should have. Hey, it's taco time. There's the spread. It was freaking sweet. Day 1. Dry Creek. Ballin'. Dang! Woo!